When you've got an asylum case pending, do you have legal status? No, you don't technically have lawful immigration status. Having a pending asylum application does not give you lawful immigration status. Doesn't matter whether it's with USCIS or pending with immigration court. You don't have, technically speaking, legal immigration status, but you have permission to be here, because the letter that you get from USCIS when you file your application, when you get the receipt notice, it says you have permission to remain in the United States while your case is pending, until your case is decided. You have permission to be here, but you don't technically have legal status. Now, is that a distinction without a difference? Pretty much, but like maybe not, because the permission that you have to be here does mean, thankfully for you, that you do not accrue unlawful presence, which is relevant sometimes, especially if someone leaves the country and wants to come back in the future. Because if you get too much unlawful presence, you can be barred from coming back to the United States for 3 years or 10 years, depending on how much unlawful presence you have, whether you have more than 6 months or more than a year. So look, it's kind of it's a tricky, nuanced question of like, what is my status when I have pending asylum going on? You don't technically have lawful immigration status, but you have permission to be here and you are not accruing unlawful presence.